Hey everyone! Welcome to Technical Fahim. Today, I'm going to share some super easy and practical ways you can start earning money online right from your home. Let's dive right in. First up is freelancing. If you have any skills like web design, graphic design, or even writing, you can sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These websites connect you with clients from all over the world who are looking for talented people just like you. It's a great way to start earning money based on your skills. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services from companies you love. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as sharing a link. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are excellent platforms to get started with. Another fantastic way to make money online is by creating content. Whether it's videos, blogs, or podcasts, platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Anchor allow you to monetize your content once you build an audience. It might take time, but once you get followers, the revenue starts flowing. And lastly, if you want something more passive, try selling digital products. You can create and sell ebooks, online courses, or even design templates. Websites like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy to reach a global audience and sell your digital creations without needing a physical product. So, there you have it. A few simple ways to start earning money online today. Pick one that suits your style, take action, and don't forget, consistency is the key to success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep hustling.